Hello. In this quick hits video, you'll learn what amazing IoT software programming you can do with the Systech SysLINK IoT Gateway. It is the full power of the Internet of Things, and it's included free with your gateway. So check this out. Hi, I'm Robert Lutz with Systech Corporation. The SysLINK hardware and SysSCRIPT software is a great solution for just about any Internet of Things or IoT application. The gateway supports a wide range of physical devices and sensors, but you don't need to interface to external devices to take advantage of the power of the Internet of Things. Your SysLINK gateway has IoT programming built in for free. It's called SysSCRIPT Lite, and anybody can use it. It has a graphical drag-and-drop interface, and it's super simple to use. I'm going to jump right into demonstrating what you can do with SysSCRIPT Lite. If you're interested in more details about how to get SysSCRIPT set up, please see some of the other videos on that topic. Activating SysSCRIPT is a two-step process. Step 1 is to enable SysSCRIPT Lite on your gateway. To do that, simply go to SysMap Settings in the User Interface webpage of the gateway. Click to Enable SysMap Service option. Step 2 is to activate your SysSCRIPT account. Do this by browsing to the cloud-based SysSCRIPT server and enter the SysSCRIPT Lite activation code provided to you with your SysLINK hardware documentation. Once this is done, you're in, and you have full access to the IoT software scripting features of SysSCRIPT Lite. What can you do with SysSCRIPT Lite? Well, almost anything. SysSCRIPT Lite is a simple, if-this-then-that programming solution that executes locally on the gateway. You can monitor all sorts of things about the gateway, but more importantly, do something about what you're monitoring. For example, you can alert somebody if the gateway uses more cellular data than expected, or you can detect if the internal temperature rises too high, maybe because the unit is in direct sunlight. Or you can detect when a cellular failover occurs because the primary broadband has stopped working. Or, more importantly, perhaps the failover has lasted longer than some predetermined threshold and you want to minimize cost overruns. Here's a simple example. Let's say you want to detect if the kiosk where the SysLINK gateway is located is being disturbed. Perhaps it's being jostled or being moved. Let's set up this gateway to detect the situation and notify a local manager that something is wrong. Step 1 is to configure the email of the manager to notify. With regular SysSCRIPT, you could also send the manager a text message, or this could be a system message to an enterprise back-end system like SAS.
So the first step is to set the target email, in this case, marketing@systech.com. Next, I'll change the body of the email, and I want to warn that the kiosk is moving. Then finally, I can change the default name of the messenger to something more applicable to this application, manager email.
Now let's take a look at the gateway movement detection property. You can see all the properties of the gateway by selecting it from the cloud-based user interface. There are lots of different properties that we can monitor or take action on. This includes network details, data usage, location, temperature, and others. Here's the in-motion gateway property. Normally, it reports a value of no, but when I physically move the gateway, you can see the property status dynamically changes to yes, so we can take advantage of our automatic reporting application. Now, we want to generate the email message automatically. This is the if-this-then-that part of the example. If the gateway detects motion, then send the manager an email notification.
So we'll start by naming the script and selecting trigger. We'll trigger on one of the devices, the device being the gateway in this case. The gateway has many properties. The property we're interested in is in motion. We'll select in motion is yes. So we'll trigger when the gateway is in motion, and we will then set the email manager that we configured earlier to send that email. So when the gateway motion is triggered, we will send the email. That's it. Update the gateway to install the script, and then finally activate it.
That's it. Now it's set up and running locally on the gateway. It's constantly monitoring for motion. Let's try it out. When I pick up the gateway, that should trigger the software. So now the warning message is being sent out of the gateway and into the email system. I will have almost instant notification that the kiosk is in danger. There it is, the warning message. You can see how easy and fast that was to set up and execute. Anybody can do this. There are lots of other things you can do with SysSCRIPT Lite too, and it's all free, so check it out on your SysLINK Gateway. I hope this short quick hits video helped you in your IoT application. This is just one of many quick hits topics available at systech.com. Take a look at other quick hits topics, and I'm sure you'll see one that you'll find valuable. For more information, check out IoT hardware and software solutions available from Systech Corporation. And leave a note there if you have ideas for future quick hit videos. Thanks, and have a great day.